In a quaint town nestled by the mountains, there lived a dedicated mechanic named Tom and his spirited daughter, Lily. Lily loved racing and dreamt of winning the annual town race. Tom, known for his expertise with cars, had built and maintained many race cars over the years. However, he was always cautious about letting Lily participate in races. One sunny morning, Lily found an old go-kart in the garage. She excitedly showed it to her father, asking if they could fix it together so she could enter the upcoming race. Tom hesitated but saw the determination in Lily's eyes. He agreed to help her but emphasized the importance of safety and discipline in racing. They spent weeks working on the go-kart. Tom taught Lily about engines, brakes, and the mechanics of racing. Their bond grew stronger as they worked side by side. One evening, after a long day of repairs, Tom shared a story from his youth. "When I was your age, I had a dream to race too, but I didn't have anyone to guide me. I want you to have what I didn't, knowledge and support." Lily listened intently, understanding her father's protective nature. She promised to be careful and to respect the lessons he was teaching her.